Linking your bank account to Dakota Heritage Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Visit the Dakota Heritage Bank website. Go to the official Dakota Heritage Bank website using your preferred web browser. Look for the Online Banking or Account Services section to begin the linking process. Step 2. Log into your online banking account. If you already have an online banking account, enter your username and password to log in. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to register for online banking first. Step 3. Navigate to account linking options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank account information. Fill in the required details for the bank account you wish to link. This typically includes your bank's routing number and your account number. Double check the information for accuracy before submitting. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your bank account information, review the details and confirm the linking request. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the process. Follow any additional instructions provided. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Dakota Heritage Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.